Hello Fabian.
Hey Sven.
Automation is an important part of the vision that we have for the digital factory business area. Why do you think automation is so important?
If we look at the challenges that our partner companies are facing in the market, we see that the demand for manufacturing is constantly increasing, which is good on the one side, but on the other side we're seeing a challenge to get and to retain the right personnel. We're seeing that a lot of people are retiring. We're seeing that a lot of new open positions are staying open, and all of this is creating a huge risk of opportunity cost in the market. And if we don't further automate the programming and also the running of the machinery, we're seeing the risk that the manufacturing companies will pay that opportunity cost.
If you look at the current level of automation and where it should go, do you feel lights out production should be the goal in the end?
What we found actually a quite neat comparison was the one to the levels of automation that you have in the automotive industry. So if we look at that, we feel that as of today we are somewhere in between level 2 and level 3 automation in the manufacturing industry. So you already have some systems that are assisting the operator. You have some conditional automation in specific application areas where you have good overview of all the conditions. But ultimately the aim is to move more towards the level 5 full lights out manufacturing, where basically you can throw a 3D geometry and a software would give you directly the right programming, and also the machine itself is being run automatically. So it's being delivered materials by, let's say, AGVs, it's being loaded and unloaded by robots, so the entire process is run automatically.
How can we at Moduleworks help our partners to really achieve this goal?
We have different technologies that can help in different aspects of helping with the automation. So for example, we are aiming at making machines more connected, making machines smarter themselves, so that they come with systems that will help run the processes more stable, that will help programming them more easily, but also helping to interconnect basically the entire manufacturing environment.